Okay, I mentioned before about wanting to remove all objects except for a specific one. So I actually have a little helper that's sort of like the next level from a snippet, or from a shortcut. It is a snippet, I should say. Now you do have the functionality to add snippets of code into a into a storage, and it can be deployed by typing in the code. Now let me show you what I mean here. So if we get out of this, cancel. Oh wait, what was an example? So you see here, if. So using an if or a for, these are all common bits of code structure that you might deploy. So for, and you can see it's trying to help you with setting up a for loop. So that's a snippet. But an easier way is something that I use called text expander. So I've got a whole bunch of snippets that I use, and lots for our code as well. So if I go remove all objects except, so this one here is I've type in semicolon remove, and I get a nice bit of code. So we go remove, and then it makes a little popping sound, and then I go here. So it's gonna remove everything except for this thing here. So this imported data, let's say over here, it's the one object that I want to keep. So I just replace that in the list. And then if I run that code, it's gone ahead and cleared everything except for imported data. So once again, that's semicolon remove. But I can use it for lots of stuff. So Excel, so lots of different code chunks that I often deploy that I can't really remember. So I use this text expander application. Now it is paid, it's like $3 a month or something like that. But I think it's very useful, and I think it'll become really handy if you're just learning out things, and it's really hard to remember things all the time. And I think also just the process of actually stipulating that you want to record it somewhere will help reinforce it. Okay, so that is that's a bit about snippets, and also about text expander, and also about removing all objects except. Okay, let's go on to the next video.